No. I mean, Mimi has a...
Look.
Jeez. Oh my god. That's spreading.
That is so dark.
And look at it. Creepy too. There's a type of a football girl. I can see him even like him. I'm gonna go home. And I want to drive out and I'm getting hungry, so I'll probably have to do something inside. You hear me? I want to drive out. Yeah, but it's right under us.
Woo, baby! Now that's what I'm talking about right there. I think an open field is probably worse than being under the trees. Scaredy cats are running. Me, oh, just walking backwards.
There's nothing behind it.
It is so beautiful though. I love this kind of stuff. I should have been a meteorologist chasing tornadoes. I'd love to see a tornado just pop out of the
Are
sky.
you serious?
Oh yeah.
I would be so I'd cry.
I would love it.
If a tornado popped out of the sky, she'd love it. What in the world?
Just to see it. I got one big flash. It was awesome looking.
I've seen it when you were walking across the field.
Yeah. Alright, time to get in the car.